CC fam, welcome back to my channel. Yes ma'am, yes sir. If you are new, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell next to it. Make a ding so you won't miss a thing. Okay, we got a Steve Madden shoe haul to do. Let's go. The first pair that I have are these. Yes, these are the Madden girls. These were from Macy's and they were $40. Okay. And it has that beautiful platform so we can walk all day, all night, ladies, okay? Yes. These are at Macy's. They're like a almondy color. That's what they're called. That's the name of it, is almond. So if you're looking for it, I'm going to try to link it below, but if it's not there, it means they're sold out, okay? But here it is. Okay, my next pair of brown nude is gonna be these, I call it the Fendi wannabes, okay? Yes, look at these. They're so cute. Now, I currently wear a 6.5, 7, so depending on the shoe, I have to fluctuate. But most of the time, I'm wearing a 6.5, okay? Because of my weight loss and stuff. These are fire. So very cute. Now, what would stilettos be without a red? Okay, we need a red stiletto in the club, okay? So these I got from SteveMaddens.com, and they're the typical no platform, just a basic stiletto, a cherry red, honey. Okay, okay. Let them have. So cute. So yeah, these are my first ones, okay? Alright. And my other ones that I got from Macy's.com. And they're the platform, same ones. Yes, so cute. $40. $40. 40. Okay, get into it. Got the beautiful platform so we can walk all day and all night, whether we're at the work being the boss or with the boo, okay? It's so cute. It's a heel, baby. It is a heel, but you will not regret it, okay? There we go. So that's it for the reds. Now, one of my fave colors, green, okay? These were from Belk.com, and this is like their python green faux snake pump. So cute. I love them. Oh, oh, if that ain't an apple green, I don't know what is. So watch out, sorors of Ow for Kappa Alpha. I'm going to be wearing these to the ground, okay? So cute. All right. Also, got one more, and prepare your eyes. Highlighter green, baby. Neon green. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Okay. Woo. Yes, I think I'm going to have a disclaimer every time I go out with these. Prepare your eyes for the neon green, okay? These were at SteveMadden.com, and I got them on sale, and I think they were about at $30. So I'm gonna link them below. If they're not below, it's not available, okay? I want to show you my Steve Maddens that I recently got. All right, look at the baby pink. You know, when you think of a Steve Madden, you think of either the red or the baby pinks. So I finally got these. I got them at full retail price, child, okay? So I think that was, what, $90? I wasn't happy about it, but here you are, just a little splurge. Very cute, very cute. And I will link these below because I don't think they're on sale yet. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Yes, ma'am. This is a boxer boot, and it's good for all year round. You can wear these summer nights or whatever. But yes, these are good. Very, very good for all year round. This definitely is a statement shoe, so I probably will wear it for photo shoots and things like that. So cute, 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 cute boots. Love them. Yes. Oh, they're so cute. They match anything that you put on. So, but yeah, I call these my Mike Tysons with a little bling to it. Okay. Next, we have these pink ones. Oh, I've been wanting these for a long time. And be careful the way you grab them. You will poke your finger. These are slick weapons, so please don't be getting mad and hitting people with your shoe. They're gonna go on and take you. They're gonna go on and take you down there, okay? But anyway, this is the shoe. These are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, get into it. Oh, so cute. You see that chain? These are some funky shoes. I love it. I love them. This would be me if I was a shoe. Cute, sharp, and make a statement in every room I walk in. So this is a cute shoe. I love those. Then we have them in black. Hey. Okay. Yes, ma'am. I got them in black, and it's got studs. It's got the little poke things, and it got the little diamond in there. So definitely a cute, funky statement shoe, especially in the fall. They do have boots as well on Macy's.com, but I got these on Steve Madden, and they were on sale. I think they were $60 instead of like $130. So that was a steal. Very, very cute. And the last statement shoe, the baby pink bling blings. So cute. And the heel is metallic. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm glad I got a manicure. My nails ain't ugly. But yes, the bottoms are metallic pink and everything, okay? I would say size up, okay? Because if you get it true to size, it's going to be cutting it close. So I would say at least size up half a size at least. Yes, because you're going to need the space. So there we go. All these shoes are so pretty. Look at that. They're so cute. Ooh, they're so cute. Bottoms is safe. Yeah. All right, CC fam. Well, that's it. That's the shoe haul. Had about almost 10 pairs of shoes to show you all. Been having to show you for a while, but I'm glad we finally got to it. Always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you so much, and I'll see you next week.